Modding Dragon Age Inquisition and dealing with DAI mod files. These contain game modifications for the BioWare RPG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and manage these Dragon Age Inquisition mod files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the DAI file. I'll reveal it at the end. Users searching for DAI files are players of the video game Dragon Age. Inquisition looking to install or manage custom modifications, mods. These files alter game assets, such as character appearances, items, or gameplay mechanics, and require a specific tool, the DAI Mod Manager, to be applied correctly. The DAI format is a proprietary archive, likely a compressed container similar to a zip, holding modified game assets like textures, models, or configuration scripts. This structure was designed by the modding community to package changes in a way that a dedicated manager tool can easily inject and merge them with the game's main data files. DAI Mod Manager from the Nexus Mods community should be your first choice when attempting to open DAI. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows provides little insight into model or texture data, so compatible modding apps are required. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your DAI file and choose Open With. Test with DAI Mod Manager first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If you cannot access the DAI file, no problem. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the DAI file. First, installing with DAI Mod Manager. Download DAI Mod Manager from Nexus Mods, which is the standard tool for installing DAI mods. Launch the manager, point it to your Dragon Age Inquisition installation directory, and add the DAI file through the Add Mod button. Click Merge Mods to apply changes, preparing the game for launching with mods active. Next, verifying game patches. DAI mods may require specific game versions for compatibility. Check the mod description for required game patches before installation. If mods fail to apply correctly, verify Origin or Steam Launcher updates the game to the appropriate version. Some mods specifically require older patch versions, necessitating careful version management. Finally, Troubleshooting Mod Conflicts. If installed mods conflict, use DAI Mod Manager to remove problematic mods or adjust load order. Read mod descriptions for known conflicts and required load orders. Test installations. One mod at a time to identify problem mods. Maintain backup of clean game installation, enabling quick recovery from severe modding issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.